jail. Park the car and shut it off. Cops are ready to cut me, bro. You can record me all you want. You just hit me, bro. Now you're going to jail.